I fell for this big time as soon as I decided to go live. Like a lot of people, I discovered that using a proper camera to do live streaming or Zoom calls means getting the dreaded audio lag. In a world where we can do live video for free now with OBS and Zoom, this is called an acceptable loss. So what if the audio doesn't match the video? So what if we no longer show up exactly like a human being? And so what if the solutions that are supposed to fix it can't? And then it hit me. Why are we using such complex means to solve such a simple problem? Today on the Visible Authority, we put your audio back into sync with your video with a solution that's simple, intuitive, elegant, fast, foolproof, and free. Do a search for audio sync problems in Zoom, and you'll find 30 million hits, and another 780,000 for audio lag in OBS, the most popular live streaming software today. So I did a ton of research and found the state-of-the-art instructions for solving this problem, at least in OBS. All you have to do is make a recording of yourself clapping your hands, import it into your editing program, count back the frames until you see your hands coming together, remember that number and put it aside, take your frame rate, look it up in milliseconds online, multiply that number by the number of frames you counted up before, then put that result in the advanced audio settings of OBS, which are found hidden in the gear at the bottom of the OBS interface. Did you get all that? Now, want to know how to do it in Zoom? You can't. On this, the experts are silent, thankfully. So, here's what worked for me. First in OBS, 3 very simple steps. 1, plug any mic into your camera. 2, select that audio as a separate input. And 3, disable the other mic inputs. They'll introduce an echo. No adjustments necessary. In Zoom, it's a one-step solution. Just select the mic from the camera. The result is the same for both, synced up audio. Amazing how the rush to innovate can leave the obvious in the dust. And speaking of innovation, there's a more inexpensive way to stream your camera. Last week on the blog, a viewer mentioned an alternative to the Camlink 4K, a little device that lets you stream your DSLR or other video camera. Turns out there are a few alternatives, so I bought one and tried it out, and it works perfectly. It takes a 4K signal and streams it in 1080p. Smart, since no one can reliably stream in 4K anyway. So you can save yourself $100. The one you're watching now is by way of the Blue AVS HDMI video capture card. It works well in both Zoom and OBS, which means it should work anywhere else. All this that you just saw is a hint of what's to come in the new and totally free Visible Authority Masterclass I told you about a few weeks ago. We had a lot of people apply for, well, let's call them virtual hot seats. And I'm happy to announce that this month's class is just about ready to go. It will be live, so you can ask your questions on the spot. You don't even have to register. The theme of this first class will be video for social media. We'll do a deep dive into some videos that were created for YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. We'll look at their scripting, on-camera performance, video production, editing, and marketing strategy. And I'll have lots of suggestions for transforming their work into something you might expect from a Visible Authority. The date and the link are in the description below. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the first Visible Authority Masterclass.